Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Humpty Dumpty 2. I hope you all are doing really well. So guys, today's video is about 166th draw that was supposed to happen on 28th of October for Express Entry, but it did not happen. There are new changes which are introduced by IRCC in CRS points and some updates they have done in the point system, that is CRS score system. So I'm going to talk about that in this video today, and I'll also tell you why the draw did not happen, what are the changes, and also there are chances for people who could not apply or maybe could not qualify for express entry program because the cutoff was really increasing and there was no way for them to increase their score. So the new updates which are introduced by IRCC are good for people who are like above 32 or 33 years of age and they have low IELTS score but they're not able to get through the express entry CRS cutoff. So these changes will help you increase your CRS score and get through the express entry program. I hope it should help you. We are going to talk about this more in detail today. So the points that I'm going to talk about today are, first we're going to talk about the reason why the draw did not happen on 28th of October. Second is, what are the new changes introduced in the CRS score system? Third is, will the cutoff increase in future, or what is the cutoff prediction for the future draws to happen? And the final point is, I know many of you will be having questions on this. When will the next draw happen now? So guys, before starting today's video, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, then please go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that you are tuned to our channel and you don't miss any video from us. Okay, so let's get going. First point, why the draw did not happen on 28th of October. So if you visit this canada.ca website, it is clearly mentioned that here, if you go here, changes to the express entry system are introduced. So this is something big that has come from IRCC on 27th of October, and this is the reason that the draw was not conducted as expected on 28th of October, that is Wednesday. So I will leave the link to this website in the description box and you can check that out later after watching this video if you want to see any further details. So if you read here, it says that you can now earn up to 50 additional points for strong French language skills, and because this has been introduced new to the system, so CRS score system or ranking system has also been impacted. So we will talk about this in the later sections of the video. So do keep watching the video so that you don't miss on any point and you're updated with everything new that is happening with the CRS score. Alright, now moving on, second point that we are going to discuss today is what are the new changes that are introduced based on the recent release from the IRCC. Now they have already mentioned that changes are introduced to the express entry system like I mentioned. Now we will see what are the details of these, so you can click on this link to see what is new. So find out more about these additional points. Let's click on this. So when we click on this, it takes us to this page where they have spoken about these 2 points which are actually introduced. So if you see that, they have added two rows, basically the 25 points and 50 points are going to be the additional points which will be provided to you. So if you score NCLC 7 or higher on all four French language skills, and your score in IELTS or English test is CLB 4 or below, then you will get 25 points. So previously it was 15 points, now it is changed to 25 points. So that is, you will be getting additional 10 points if you are able to score NCLC 7 or higher in French language test and your English score stands at somewhere around CLB 4 or below. And second thing is, if you score NCLC 7 or higher in French test and your score in IELTS, that is English test, is CLB 5 or higher, then you will be able to fetch directly 50 points. So guys, 50 points is actually a very huge number to increase your CRS score and which stands you out in getting through the express entry draw easily. So, for example, right now, if your score is around at 450 points, and given the high cutoff these days, which is around 470s, you might not be able to get through the cutoff. But if you already have this score of NCLC 7 in French, then you will be able to score directly 50 points, which takes you to 500 points. So, guys, this is actually a wonderful score, and there's no stopping that you can't get through the express entry draw, which will be coming later. So now getting CLB 4 or CLB 5 in IELTS English test is actually pretty simple. Generally, when people start planning to give IELTS test so that they're able to get through Express Entry program, they prefer to target at least CLB 8 or 9. And if anyone is able to get CLB 10, that's wonderful. But yeah, of course, achieving NCLC 7 or higher in French language test is actually easy to talk about. But if you're able to achieve this score in French test, then there's no stopping, guys. I know it's an initial investment of hard work, and a lot of time also might take you like 3 4 months or maybe 5 6 months to get through this level. But then if you do, then and if you're serious about immigrating to Canada, then nothing can stop you and you can easily crack the cutoff. And also, there are many people who are above 32 or 33 years of age and they're not able to get through express entry draw. So, this is again a wonderful opportunity for them to increase their CRS score by achieving higher marks in French language test. And also, you would be knowing that in Canada, there are only two languages which are actually used. It is French and English. These are predominantly used, so learning French will not be a waste for you guys. Now, moving on, will the cutoff score increase, or what is the cutoff prediction for next draws? Well, the answer to this is, guys, ideally, as per my understanding, the cutoff in future will definitely increase. Now, this is a provision made by IRCC to help people achieve more score in their CRS points. Now, you think about the case, there will be a lot of people who would have already scored this score in French and they would have got their applications already in the pool. And when these additional points will be added to their existing points, then of course the cutoff will increase. And the number of invitations which are taken out by IRCC is limited. It stays around 4200 to 4500. Now, in the coming few draws, ideally the cutoff should be higher. It should be higher than what the current cutoff is, which is around 471 points. So it is expected that cutoff will increase, but we'll see in future when the next draw comes out, and we'll get to know how much is the cutoff increasing and what is the score. Now, the next question is when will the next draw take place? So, answer to this question we can get from this link here. So, this is cic.ca website itself, and I'm on the help center. So, if you search for general questions about Express Entry, then the first most question is what changes have recently been made to Express Entry. Let me go inside this. And when you go inside this, here they have clearly said that the CRS score for all the profiles in the pool will be updated automatically before the next invitation round after the updates. This could take up to 2 weeks. So they have clearly said that this will take up to 2 weeks. Assume that it's going to be 2 weeks from now. And they will be updating all the profiles which are already in the pool based on the new point system which is introduced, that is additional 10 points or 50 points based on the profile, and all the profiles will get updated. Once all the profiles are updated in the system, only then they will take out the draw, and they have given a timeline of 2 weeks for this process. So assuming 2 weeks from today, that is I think it's going to be like 14th 15th or maybe 12th 13th November, something like that.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video and found it informative and helpful for yourself. If you did, then hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. Click the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you're tuned to our channel and you don't miss any video from us. We create a lot of videos on our Canada PR experience, and now that we are in Canada already, we are sharing everything in detail and every small thing with you guys. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Till then, you take care. Goodbye. Oh, yeah, got it. Yeah, got it.